Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You've got your Google account ready. Now start in Google Calendar. Create an event and name it for the class so students recognize it. Once done, set the date, start time and duration, and choose whether this repeats for a schedule. Make sure your time zone is correct, because mismatches confuse attendees. Add a clear title and short description so students know purpose and materials. This initial setup saves edits later and ensures your Meet link becomes part of a proper calendar invite. Once the event form is open, click Add Google Meet to generate the unique join link. This is what students will use. Next, add guest emails or a class group so attendees receive the invite automatically. You can attach documents, a syllabus, or slides to the event. This keeps resources centralized. If you want co-hosts, add them and give calendar edit access. Make sure notifications are set. Email or pop-up reminders help attendance. Save the event and choose Send to notify guests immediately. You're almost done. Open the Meet link to confirm it launches and shows your name or host controls. If you intend to join early, enable Join before host only if appropriate. Otherwise, leave admission controlled. Share the link in multiple channels, classroom, email, chat, so no one misses it. If students can't join, check calendar guest permissions and whether the event was saved. Also confirm your Google Workspace or Meet service isn't restricted. One quick test with a second account prevents last-minute chaos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.